I'm out here in front of Union Station. Just wanted to show you some of my Halloween decorations and different things. I have a ghost and jack-o'-lantern lit up here in front of the station. Hopefully y'all can see that. And we're going to go into the station. I have some things to show you on the model train layout. My design team were very hard at work today. So here we go in. We'll look at the Halloween decorations. We have ghosts. And yes, that's a bat hanging on the light over there. Hopefully you can see him. And we have the vicious dinosaur over here and jack-o'-lanterns. We've got them going on. So here's the Metropolitan Lounge. And hopefully you can see the ghosts over here in the banquet area at the tables. We've got them here ready to celebrate Halloween tomorrow night. And I'll show you all things at the party tomorrow night, because I'm going to have all the candles lit on the tables and everything, so it's going to be really cool. We have the friendly ghost here with the jack-o'-lantern. We like happy ghosts. And now we're going in. I have the lights turned off, and we just have the building and station lights and things in here. And trains on their way. We're going to follow the train as it makes its way up here. And we have the haunted house. Ghosts and things here. Making our way. And yes, I know there's music playing. You can probably hear that. We have our North Pole up there going on, and I haven't turned the music down. You can probably see the lights for it up there. There's the train. The fountain has lights on it, so you can probably see the lights. Hopefully you can hear the water. Pretty cool stuff. Making our way up to the Snow Village. We have lots of happy trains here. There's the Amtrak. You see this side of the North Pole up there, hopefully. Got the station lamps going here at the big Victorian train station. Coming on around. Got the Ferris wheel and the merry-go-round going on here. There's the train. Quite lovely here. Alright, we're going to come on around. The coast is pretty dark over here. We'll come down here. I got these station lights lit. We'll come down here. Here comes the train. There's another one. Some Yeah, we got this station all lit up. Hopefully you can see the station platform that's lit up here. Pretty cool stuff. See the back of the industrial park. Got the dog food factory and the Pepsi factory. And the Tide factory, it's got lights flashing on it too. We're going to come around this way and see the front of the industrial park. Going to go under the river bridge. We have the riverfront here. It's a happening place here at the hotel. So here's, we got the dollar store over here and a grocery. And they've got it going on. People are buying all kinds of good stuff here, I'm sure. They got it going on here. And then we have some other buildings here. We have the freight station, gas station back here. We have the dog food factory. Very important for puppies, you know. Puppies have to eat. So we make their food here and it gets shipped out by train. And we have the Pepsi Cola factory. I love the lights. I can see the lights and stuff, so it's really cool. It's even got flashing lights and stuff. Watch the trains going through over there. You see the entrance into the Great Hall. And then we have comes the train. So up here is the North Pole. Here comes the Amtrak. Passenger cars. So up here is the North Pole. And I know there's a lot of things y'all probably can't see since it's dark in here, and I'm sure these lights don't totally illuminate everything, but I'll show everything again with lights on later. All right. We'll come out here and meet the freight train as it comes through. It's about to come out of the tunnel. Caboose is holding on for dear life. And we'll watch the Santa Fe come through one last time. Here it comes. There he went. Okay, well, you all have a good night, and hope you've enjoyed the decorations and the layout update for tonight. Welcome to Union Station. I'm getting ready to have my Halloween party, and I have just about everything set. The food will be arriving after we celebrate evening prayer, and I have my relics on the altar exposed for evening prayer. So I have 5 candles around the relics because I have 5 first-class relics here, and so we're going to have evening prayer tonight. And so we have candles on the tables here at the banquet area of Union Station. So it's quite lovely. I'm tickled with it. My design team and Mom and I have been working on decorating, and so anyway, they got all the tea lights situated for me and everything, so it's turned out nicely. So it's set and ready for guests. So I'm excited about it, and we're going to eat very well tonight. It's all going to be good, and we're going to pray for the faithful departed, and all the souls in purgatory. So we've got it going on here. So I'm just tickled to death. So anyway, now I'm just waiting for the guests.